Hey everyone, it's Tomasz Skublak, your local Hamilton real estate agent. March is one of the most important months of the real estate year because this is when we find out if the spring market is actually showing up or if buyers are still sitting on the sidelines. A lot of people are asking me if prices are finally stabilizing, if Hamilton is still a buyer's market, and whether now is the time to act or wait. Today, I'm breaking down what's exactly happening in Hamilton right now, how it compares to the winter slowdown, and what this means for buyers, sellers, and investors heading into spring. Let's get into it. Activity is picking up, but leverage still favors buyers. March has brought some more listings hitting the market, more showings, and more conditional sales, but not a return to bidding wars. Inventory is still elevated compared to last spring, and buyers are far more selective. Homes that are priced correctly and move-in ready are selling, and everything else is sitting. This is not a panic market, it's a disciplined market. One of the biggest misconceptions right now is that prices are either crashing or rebounding fast. Neither is true. Across Hamilton in March, average prices are relatively flat compared to winter, and median prices remain firm, especially for quality homes. The big swings we're seeing are happening by condition and location, not sitting what. Buyers are still willing to pay for good homes. Sellers can't rely on momentum anymore. Pricing strategy matters again. Detached and semi-detached homes remain the strongest segment in Hamilton. Family homes in good areas are moving. Negotiations are very common. Conditions like financing and inspection are back to normal. This is one of the healthiest detached markets we've seen in years because it's balanced, not overheated. Townhomes are also performing very well, especially freehold units, end units, and newer builds. Buyers love the lower price point with less maintenance, and sellers who price realistically are seeing strong activity. Condos remain the softest segment. There is more inventory, longer days on market, and buyers are pushing harder on price. That said, good condos are still selling. Layout, parking, maintenance fees, and location matter more than ever. Hamilton Mountain continues to see the highest demand and lowest inventory. Stony Creek and Waterdown are showing strong price retention. Central Hamilton is transitional and very street specific. Lower East Hamilton remains the most affordable, but also the highest risk and reward. The closer you are to industrial corridors, the more pressure you'll see on the prices. The higher up you go on the mountain, the more competition you'll face. People throw around the term buyer's market, but here's what actually means right now. It means more negotiating power, fewer bidding wars, conditions are normal again, sellers are open to price adjustments and incentives, and buyers have time to think instead of rushing. For the last few years, people told me they want to wait until things cooled off. This is that exact moment. Not a crash, but a window. Here's the bottom line for March. Hamilton is entering spring with more balance, more opportunity, and far more logic than we've seen in years. If you're a buyer, this is one of the best negotiating environments we've had in a long time. And if you're a seller, preparation and pricing matters more than ever. If you want a neighborhood-specific breakdown, a list of the best opportunities right now, or help planning a move this spring, reach out directly or click the links below. I'm Tomasz Skublak. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.